Uniting in purpose, the power of striving for unity. Hello and welcome to today's special lesson. We are going to explore a profound and impactful phrase, strive for unity. Understanding this phrase not only helps in enhancing your language skills but also in appreciating the deep values it represents. So, let's dive in and uncover the layers of meaning behind strive for unity. Before we grasp the full meaning, it's essential to understand the words strive and unity individually. Strive means to make great efforts, to try very hard, or to struggle vigorously. It's not just about wanting something. It's about actively working towards a goal, often despite difficulties. Unity, on the other hand, refers to the state of being united or joined as a whole. It's about different parts or people coming together to form a single entity or group, often in harmony. When we say strive for unity, we're talking about the active effort to bring people, ideas, or parts together, aiming for harmony and cooperation. It's not just a wish for togetherness, it's a proactive approach to making it happen. This phrase is often used in various contexts, such as 1. In a team or workplace, encouraging collaboration and teamwork to achieve common goals. 2. In society, promoting peace and understanding among different communities or nations. 3. In personal relationships, working towards harmony and mutual understanding. Striving for unity is significant for several reasons. 1. Strength in numbers. Unity brings strength. When people work together harmoniously, they can achieve more than they would individually. 2. Peace and progress. Unity is crucial for peace and societal progress. It allows for the pooling of resources and ideas, leading to innovation and development. 3. Personal growth. Striving for unity teaches patience, empathy, and the importance of seeing the bigger picture beyond personal gains. To strive for unity, consider the following steps. 1. Open communication. Encourage open and honest dialogue. Understanding each other is the first step towards unity. 2. Respect and tolerance. Acknowledge and respect differences. Unity doesn't mean uniformity. It means coming together despite the differences. 3. Common goals. Identify and focus on common objectives. Shared goals can bridge the widest of gaps. Striving for unity is more than a phrase. It's a call to action for cooperation, understanding, and harmony. Whether in personal life, within a community, or among nations, the efforts we make towards unity can lead to substantial and positive changes. Thank you for joining today's lesson, and I hope it inspires you to be a proactive agent of unity in your circles.